Hello students, welcome back to your grammar class. Today we will be continuing the topic active and passive. In the previous class we have learned how to convert an assertive sentence from active to passive. Today we will be learning how to convert an interrogative sentence from active to passive. Before that, you should know what an interrogative sentence is. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence will ask a question. It will end with a question mark. A question can be yes or no question or WH question. Can you give some example for yes or no question? Does she eat a mango? Yes, she eats. Did they play football? Yes, they played. Do they come early? Yes, they come. Have you completed your work? No, I haven't. Now let us learn how to convert an external question from active to passive. We can begin with present tense. If the tense is present tense, yes or no question will start either with do or does. These clue words will help you to identify the tense. In present tense, there will be do or does. Do for plural subject and does for singular subject. Clear? Now let us learn with the help of an example. See this example. Does Anu eat a mango? Is it an interrogative sentence? Yes. Because it ends with a question mark. It is an yes or no question. While changing an yes or no question from active to passive, you can follow these steps. Which is the first step? You have to convert the given interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence. You have to convert this interrogative sentence into SVO pattern. That means subject, verb, object. Which is the subject here? Who is doing the action? Anu. So Anu is the subject. So you can start with Anu. Anu. Then does plus eat. Does plus eat is equal to eats. Anu eats a mango. Subject Anu. Verb eats. A mango is object. Now the sentence is in assertive form. Then as usual, you can convert that assertive sentence from active to passive. For that, which is the first step, yes, you have to identify the object. Which is the object here? A mango. You can start with a mango. Then think about the tense. Which tense? Is. So present tense. If the tense is present, you can use is, are or am. As the subject is singular, you can use is. A mango is. Then which is the V3 form of eat? Eaten. A mango is eaten by Anu. Clear? As the question is in interrogative form, the answer also should be in an interrogative form. So, you can change your answer into an interrogative sentence. See, a mango is eaten by Anu. Change this sentence into interrogative. Is a mango eaten by Anu? This is your answer. Always remember, the answer also should be in question form, as the question is in interrogative form. In present tense, the question will begin with do or does. We are talking about yes or no question. In In the case of yes or no question, the question will start with do or does. Clear? Children, if here we write mangoes, then how will be the answer? Anu eats mangoes. Mangoes are eaten by Anu. Then interrogative, are mangoes eaten by Anu? Now let us see one example with do. Children, always remember, in present tense, yes or no question will start with either do or does. See this example. Do they play football? Do they play football? Change the given interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence, which is the subject. They. They do plus play is equal to play. They play football. Then as usual, you can convert from active to passive, which is the object football. Football, then which is the tense? Present tense. If the tense is present, you can use am, is, are. Here football. Football is singular. So you can use is. Football is, then V3. Football is played by, they will become them. Football is played by them. Then change the assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. Is football played by them? Put a question mark. As the question is an interrogative form, the answer also should be in interrogative form. Remember, in present tense, yes or no question will start with either do or does. Now, let us see how to convert an yes or no question from active to passive if the tense is past. For past tense, children, there is one clue, that is did. Okay, it will start with did. Same procedure you can use. So, if the tense is past, in the passive form, you can use was or were. Clear? Which is our first step. We have to convert the given interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence. See the sentence. Did they sing songs? Did they sing songs? So you have to convert this sentence into SVO pattern, which is the subject they. They did plus sing is equal to sang. They sang songs. Here, then we can change that sentence into passive form. Pick out the object. This is the object. Songs. Songs. Then we get out the tense past. For past tense, we will use was or were. Songs, plural. So you can use were. Songs, were. Then V3 form. Sing, sang, sung. Songs were sung by them. Okay. Then you can change into interrogative form as the question is in interrogative form. Clear? How will you change into interrogative form? How will you change into interrogative form? Were songs sung by them. Don't forget to put a question mark. Now let us see how to convert an yes or no question from active to passive if the tense is simple future. You know that for simple future there will be either will or shall. See this example. Will Anu sing a song? Yes, the sentence is in simple future. And which is our first step? We have to convert the given interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence. So start with subject, which is the subject Anu. Anu will sing a song. Then normal procedures you can follow. Pick out the object, which is the object, a song. A song will be. Don't forget to write that keyword in future tense. A song will be sung by Anu. Then as the question is in interrogative form, your answer also should be in interrogative form. Change the sentence into interrogative form. Will a song be sung by Anu? Don't forget to put the question mark. As the question is in interrogative form, the answer also should be in an interrogative form. Clear? Now let us learn how to convert an SONO question from active to passive if the tense is present continuous. What is the format of present continuous? Am, is or are plus verb plus ing. You can convert the given interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence, which is the subject Anu is singing songs. Then write the passive form of the sentence. Songs are being. Don't forget to write this keyword. Being, then V3. Sung by Anu. Then change the sentence into an interrogative sentence. Are songs sung by Anu? Don't forget to put a question. Children, for exam, you no need to write these steps. These are the clues for you. Okay, after doing many exercises, you will be able to do without these steps. You know that in past continuous we will use either was or were. See the same example. Was Anu singing a song? Yes, which is our first step? Convert this interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence. Anu was singing songs. Then write the passive form, which is object songs. Songs. Then think about the tense. Past continuous. So then what is the format? Was or were plus being plus with. Songs plural noun. So you can use were. Songs were being sung by Anu. Then change into an interrogative sentence. Were songs being sung by Anu? Were songs being sung by Anu? Then remember, future continuous cannot be expressed in passive form. Now let us learn how to convert an SONO question from active to passive if the tense is present perfect. Which are the clue words for present perfect? As or have. Then V3. Clear? See this example. Has Anu sung songs? Then change the given interrogative sentence into SVO pattern, which is the subject who is doing the action. Anu. Anu then has sung songs. Anu has sung songs. Then change into passive. Pick out the object. Songs. Songs plural. So you can use have. Songs have. Don't forget to write the keyword. Songs have been sung. V3. Sung by Anu. Change that sentence into an interrogative form. As a question as in interrogative form. Clear? Have songs been sung by Anu? Put a question mark. Children, in past perfect, no other confusion because we have to use only had. See this example. Had Anu sung songs? Change into assertive sentence. Anu had sung songs. Then passive voice. Songs had been sung by Anu. Change into interrogative. Had songs been sung by Anu? Clear? You can follow the same pattern in future perfect tense too. Now let us see how to convert an SONO question from active to passive with the tense is future perfect. You know that what is the format of future perfect? Will have or shall have plus V3. Clear? See this. Will Anu have sung songs? The question is in interrogative form. So which is our first step? Change into an assertive form. Pick out the subject. Anu. Anu will have sung songs. And change into active. Songs will have been. Don't forget to write this keyword. Songs will have been sung by Anu. And change into interrogative because our question is in interrogative form. Children, you are supposed to write only this last answer only for the pizza. Clear? Children, in the next class, we will be learning how to convert a WH question from active to passive. We will also see the changes in imperative sentence also.